Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm gonna make something real exciting. I'm gonna make Korean chicken, and I'm gonna make it using one boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay, the first thing you gotta do, what you do, you cut them in small pieces, thin strips, so it's easy to cook. A lot of times people use drum mats and all kinds of. I like to use boneless chicken because it's easy to eat. The next thing you do, you grab one bag like this, right? From the produce or whatever it is. Add in the flour, okay, into the bag. Then you throw the chicken inside. I find this to be the very easy method because, you know, before I used to put the flour in the bowl, and the flour used to be all over my house, and I used to get scoldings from my wife. So put some oil in here and make it hot. Okay, while the thing is heating up, I'm gonna make the sauce. Get the bowl, put in about 1/3 cup sugar, okay? Put about a 1/2 cup of shoyu. You put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. So I got this garlic all grated, okay? So I dump in some grated garlic in here, along with some sesame seeds. Stir them up, stir them up. Then I add in some raw green onions, chopped up green onions. Okay. Stir them up just like this. Then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some sriracha sauce. You don't make it too hot. Okay? I stir them up just like this. Okay. I think it's hot, and I think it's ready to go. Okay, toss up the chicken, just like this. Make sure the oil is hot now. You notice I don't have any skin on this chicken. So it's a boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Okay? When you fry it, you gotta make sure that it's not all stick together. So you gotta keep on moving it and separating it because you want it really crispy on the outside. Yeah, crispy without skin. Can you imagine that? Okay, I think it's just about done. Time to take it out. There you go. Just like this. Okay? You know, a lot of people say you want it even crispy. You let it cool off a little bit and you refry them again. It becomes extra crispy. Okay, that was the part. Remember the sauce I made? Just grab this chicken, throw them inside the sauce, just like this. Okay? I'm just marinating just like this, soaking up all the sauce. I can smell them, and I'm getting hungry already. Look at that, Korean chicken, local style. The thing looks good, but let's see really how it tastes. Okay, there you go, man. Korean chicken. Oh! It never skin, no bone. It's crispy outside, and the problem with this, once you eat it, it's hard to stop. It's hot, but it is really good. Korean chicken. So next time I see you, Man in the Pan. Aloha.